learn how we can cache this video. So whenever we so once so if we want to download this video, we can do it easily by using the Expo file system. Now to learn more about this Expo file system, we have this documentation. To install this library, we will run expo install expo file system. So go to the terminal in the Visual Studio Code, run npm install expo file. Was it expo dash file dash system? I made a typo. Was system? Yes. Now it will install the expo file system library from the expo. Yeah, it's stopped. So I will close this terminal. What I will do, I will add a button. So in order to use the expo button, ReactNative button, we will import the button from ReactNative. So I will add a button with title prop of download. Okay, then we will have a text to show the size for the video. Means what will be the actual size of this video. So I will type the size. Then I want to show the progress for the download of this video. Progress. If I save this and run this file, I will have this download button. Then I have the size text and then progress. I have made a typo again, so it's progress. Now what I will do, I have added this function, so which means I need to download the video. So what I will do, I will go to the Expo file system documentation. Here we have this thing which will record the progress of the video which we are downloading. Video will be this. So what we have to do, we will copy this thing, which is I will remove this line. Here we have creating a download resumable object, which will create the object from the file system to start downloading this video. I will this create download presumable is taking two props. The first one is actually the video URL. The second will be the path where this video will be saved. Third one is the callback for the download progress, which we will show here in the progress text view. Now, okay, now we will go again to this. Now we have this part which will run. Which will be run whenever the download is finished. So we have to run this function whenever the button is clicked. So in on press prop, we will provide this function, uh, download video, load video. So in the next video, I will show you how to use state hook from the React Native.